Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Durable AI in 2026. So, if you want to create a website, generate business content, or use AI-powered tools to launch an online presence quickly, Durable AI can help you get started in just a few minutes. First, sign in to your Durable AI account and open your dashboard. If you're new to the platform, create an account and complete the setup process. Next, choose the option to create a new website or project. Durable AI will usually ask for basic information about your business, service, or idea. After reviewing everything, preview the website and make sure it looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. When you're satisfied with the final result, publish the website and make it available online. Finally, continue updating your content and experimenting with the available AI tools. So, the more you use Durable AI, the easier it becomes to build and manage your online presence. And that's it. That's how to use Durable AI in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.